Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down and localize a special number which is called build number. As you can see in this device, it is at the very bottom of the list. So let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're into developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Let's tap on advanced, and right here we've got developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the display cutout, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because as you can see we've got Bluetooth, USB and Wi-Fi options. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. If you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see the device will immediately apply this option. You can tap on this switcher again to turn it off completely. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. And if you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, just like that. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.